today. I'll be back later, okay? Hello everyone. I am back in Georgia now. I left got here April 12th, I think. I don't really remember. I haven't even been here a week yet, but I'm running some errands. I just dropped my sister off at school. My family went to on a cruise, so it's just me and my sister in the house right now. First I have to go to the bookstore because I'm trying to get all of the Death Note books, and I thought last time I bought the 7th and 8th book, but it turns out I bought this book, so I have 2 of these, so I have to bring this one back. And I think I'm just going to order them all online because the bookstore I go to sells them, but it's only like one of them at a time, and I'm just tired of that. And that's the last one I read, was I don't think I finished 3 and 4, so I have to finish that one and then continue. And there's a lot more to read, so it's expensive to get all of them, but it's okay. I want them and I need to finish it. Anyways, after that, I have some stuff at Ulta I need to get, and then I need to get my cousin a birthday present. There is some stuff I need to get at the grocery store, and I think that is all the errands I need to run. And then I will come back. I might get my nails done. I don't know yet. Maybe. I might. I think that's all I have to do. And then I will come back and I need to work on school and stuff. Yeah. But I will be here for a while. I go back to Germany June 10th. And yeah. I'm ready to go back because I miss Martin so much, and I miss Kino. I only got 1 day with him, and it's killing me. I miss them and I miss Germany, but yep. Wow, I get distracted easily. Okay, so I'm gonna probably go to McDonald's and get a coffee real quick, and then I will be on my way to Statesboro. Okay, so I got my coffee and I'm freaking tired, and I should have just went to bed. But anyways, I'm in Statesboro now, and I'm in front of the bookstore. Probably gonna chug this and then go in. Okay, so I got my nails done, and I don't like them at all. But whatever. So earlier, Ellie had a little mishap with her chicken, and it got stuck in between the chairs, and she was freaking out. So now she's not gonna let the chicken go ever again. It's okay. I brought this back from Germany for her, and she loves it. Don't you love it? Hello. That is a weird angle. Okay, whatever. All I did after I came home was I picked up Emmy, and then it's 5:30. Well, we went to Dairy Queen and got some ice cream, and then we went home, and it's 5:30 now, and I'm making us some food, and then it'll be time to calm down. for the rest of the night. I just have to do some homework. I need to talk to my advisor, and then I'll probably try to edit some videos and then watch Grayson Anatomy for the rest of the night. And that is about it. One more assignment. Okay. It's bedtime for everyone. I am just watching Grayson Anatomy until I fall asleep. So I will see you in the next, no, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.